Simple nodes can solve complex problems when connected with right logic. And today we are going to learn one of such nodes which can do wonders in our NodeRED dashboard. So I'm talking about the UI control node, which is used to control the show and hide option in our dashboard. So what I mean with this, let me show you. So currently we have four groups: input group, output group, visualization, and others in my first dashboard tab. So let's see. If I press this, so you see only three groups. The fourth group has been hidden. So how we do it? So I have created a flow where inject, then change. So in change, you have to select message.payload as an object, and inside you have to write this same format. So it starts with group. We are going to hide the group. Then curly brackets. Then you have to write hide in the then your uh, tab name followed by the group name. So my tab name is first dashboard and my group name is others. I want to hide this group. Now, as you can see, once it has been hidden, it will not be visible until I show it from the same UI control. So you just need to copy paste this, and instead of hide, you need to write here, as you guessed it right, you need to write here show, done, and then deploy. Now if you inject, you can see the fourth group is visible. The other feature of this node is to hide the tab. So currently in my panel, I have three tabs visible. First dashboard, SOP, and InfluxDB data. So let's hide the SOP tab. You can see it is visible and I can go to this. Now what I have written inside, you need to write tabs, then hide and the tab name. One thing I forgot to tell you that when you're writing the tab name or group name, you need to replace the spaces with the spaces with this and underscore. And the same thing you have to do in this. If your tab name, if your tab name, like if my tab name would be first dashboard, then I have to write the underscore instead of the space. So currently I'm hiding the SOP. So let's inject directly. Now you see that only two tabs are visible. Again, we have to show it. So just copy it, paste it, and write here show. Inject. Now you can see that it is again visible. And the third feature of this node is to go to the next tab. Like I want to switch the tab. I am currently on the first dashboard tab and I want to move to this influx DB data. Although I can move from here, but if I want a button inside my dashboard or automatically if something happens, I want to jump on that screen. So it can be done from my flow. So I have currently added a button to influx DB tab, and inside the change node, you should write tab, and here you don't need to replace the spaces. So this is what you need to remember, the three types of code I have shown you right now. So here just you just need to write the tab name. So let's check. This is my button. So I jumped onto this. Now we will add a button to go back to my first dashboard. Let's copy this. side, I have to change the tab name. Change this. Now, if you are, let's see. Now, if you click this, you come back to your first dashboard. And inside this UI, there are three options. So if we select the first or second, this all three codes will work. And in case you forget the code I have shown you in the change node, you can see this in the information of this node. So thanks for watching and learning with me. I'll see you in the next one.